So depending upon the body size of the animal, the number of heartbeats also depend, okay, depending upon the body of the animal. So here are few examples. For example, here we are taking few animals like whale, elephant, man, and cold-teeth bird. Okay, so for example, weight, if we check weight, the weight of whale is 1,50,000 kgs. 1,50,000 kgs. Okay, and the elephant average weight is 3,000 kgs, and man 60 to 70 kgs, and cold-teeth bird 8 grams. And heart size, if we see heart size, the size of the heart of whales is 750 kgs, whereas elephant is 21 kgs, and man nearly 300 grams. Next, cold-teeth bird 0.15 grams. Number of heartbeats. 7 times per minute. 7 times per minute by blue whale, and elephant 46 times per minute. Next, man average 70 to 80 times per minute, and cold-teeth bird 1200 times per minute. So if we observe, if the body size of the animal is more, the number of heartbeats is less. Okay, right. This is about various types of animals possessing different number of heartbeats. Okay, next, single circulation and double circulation. The circulation in which the blood goes to heart once during its circulation. The circulation in which blood goes to heart once is single circulation. The circulation in which blood goes to heart once is single circulation, and this single circulation occurs in fishes. Next, so how the circulation, just see, from body parts the veins collect deoxygenated blood and give to heart, and this heart give this deoxygenated blood to gills, where deoxygenated blood is converted into oxygenated. This is the deoxygenated blood, and here also deoxygenated blood. In gills, deoxygenated blood is converted into oxygenated blood. So that directly these gills distribute blood to the body parts. Okay, so this type of circulation is called single circulation, where the blood is going to heart only once. Next, double circulation. Double circulation, the circulation in which blood goes to heart twice is double circulation. The circulation in which the blood goes to heart twice. So how means, already we know. So from body parts goes to heart. From heart goes to lungs. So where here deoxygenated blood, here also deoxygenated blood. Okay, in lungs deoxygenated blood is converted into oxygenated blood. This oxygenated blood is returned back to heart. From here it is distributed to body parts. So this is called double circulation. Once between heart and lungs, pulmonary circulation. Once between heart and body parts, systemic circulation. Such type of circulation where pulmonary circulation and systemic circulation is present is called double circulation, and the circuit is called double circuit, and the heart is called double circuit heart. Next, lymphatic system. Lymphatic system. What is lymphatic system is, generally whenever we are going in bus in long journey in sitting position, then the legs become swollen, especially in elders the legs become swollen. When we do long journey in sitting position, when we do long journey in sitting position, our legs swell. This is called edema. This is called edema. This condition is called edema. And why this condition occurs means because of the increasing of lymph vessels. Because of the swelling of lymph vessels in legs, the legs become swell, and this condition is called edema. Sometimes what happen when blood is flowing in capillaries, blood capillaries, sometimes what happen when the blood is flowing, some types of materials are stuck at the junctions. Some materials are stuck at the junctions. To send back these materials into mainstream, okay, a special type of system is evolved. It is called lymphatic system. And lymph is a Latin word. Lymph is taken from Latin word. It is a Latin word which means water. Its meaning is water. And it is a connecting link. Lymph is a connecting link or connecting substance, connecting link between blood and tissues. For example, see, tissues has to receive the nutrients, right? Tissues has to receive the nutrients. And who is bringing these nutrients? These nutrients are bringing by blood. And these nutrients, whatever supplied to tissues, to receive these nutrients, there is also lymph present in tissues. The lymph present in tissues is called tissue fluid. The lymph present in tissues is called tissue fluid, which is receiving the nutrients that is carried by blood. And here there are few definitions. Blood is a substance with solid particles. And of course it is a medium of solids, liquids and gases. Blood is a substance with solid particles, whereas lymph is a substance or it is a water. Lymph is a substance without solid particles. Next, what about plasma? The water content of blood is called plasma. What is serum? The colorless straw-colored fluid that is present, the yellowish straw-colored fluid that is formed after the blood is allowed to clot is called serum. The yellowish colored fluid that is obtained after the blood is allowed to clot when an injury occurs, that fluid is called serum. Okay, so this is how lymphatic system works, and it contains lymph vessels and lymph glands. And this lymphatic system is helpful for the distribution of nutrients from blood to tissues, means through blood capillaries, and also collect excretory substances from tissues to blood. Okay, lymphatic system supply nutrients to tissues or cells, means tissue means group of cells, and collect excretory substances from cells and give to blood. So this is about the lymphatic system. We will discuss about another topic in the next class.